Thumbnail. Alright, let's get this session in with the BOSU Elite and the Adidas ankle weights. Alright, I'm gonna hold this right here, give it some pressure, start landing some knees for the first round. And you can always change the position of your hands. They get a more secure clinch. Round one done. Let's give a little break. Second round, I'm going to try to incorporate some elbows in the next session. So we'll see how that turns out. I'm gonna throw some elbows. I just wanna use one hand on the BOSU Elite. Give myself a grip. Good angle up. Feeling pretty good, so I'm gonna keep it going. Not gonna keep much of a break. Just flow with it. Let's go ahead and position the BOSU ball a little higher against the door to give us some more of a workout in our core and our legs. Oh man, the rain's coming down. See if I can angle. There we go. Try to give it one more rounding. Let's go.